Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some crazy hair transformations. A lot of these are going to have some bold colors. So if that is your thing, definitely stay tuned. Love the purple contrasting hair color for the first one. And then we hop right into the next one. This is absolutely beautiful. It honestly looks like artwork, the way that he did the hair. Whose transformation was the best? Oh, wow. Oh, I love this like ombre coloring style. But this bob with the neon highlights. Well, that was definitely a vibe. Very cute. So then we have someone getting some copper color here. Looks like she got layers as well. Looks like the stylist is adding some color towards the ends. Oh, wow. Okay, that color would be so cool for like the fall season. And then we have this gorgeous blue. Look at the dimension here. So beautiful. And then we have the color blocking trend. Black and red. Very bold hair. Let me know in the comments, would you guys try any of these hair color combos? This one I feel like would actually be pretty cool to rock. The blonde with the money paste highlights and then the copper in the back. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Wow. This reminds me of like the sunset, like the sun setting or something. Oh wow. So here we have someone, she's got a lot going on. And she ends up getting this gorgeous blue. Oh, that is some sexy hair right there. Who would have thought that blue hair could be sexy? There we have someone getting a trend, getting some color. A lot of red. Oh, Jessica Rabbit hair. Oh my goodness. So pretty. And then we had another color blocking here. Another blue combo. Beautiful burgundy. The roots have got to go. 2 months fade out. So here she is getting like a color touch up. I actually didn't think it looked too bad though, to be honest. Oh, more blue. Blue hair is actually, okay, so that's the full transformation for that one girl that got the blue ombre. And believe it or not, blue is actually trending. Like I've said that a couple of times on this channel. Another contrasting trend with the green and blue this time. Oh, wow. Copper mixed with purple. Now that is not a color combo you see every day. Can you imagine, like, if you never gotten your hair colored before and you go to this particular stylist and he does like this crazy bold, I mean, any color combination, it seems even if he does like your hair all one color, like it's bold. Like he does not play it safe when it comes to hair coloring. But that would be just such a shock to the system, getting that crazy, like going from like dark black hair to like this vibrant rainbow. Like that is just insane. Oh, wow. Beautiful red and black. So here we have someone with platinum hair. She's got the darker roots. Ooh, this is kind of giving me like 4th of July vibes. Wow, I love this. So pretty. And then we got a hidden color block transformation. So this is kind of like peekaboo color. Like you want a little bit of color, but not your entire head. And he's doing rainbow here. Whoa, this looks like a marble. Wow. So this is the full transformation of that color blocking that we saw earlier. So pretty. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out today's transformations. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.